Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we are doing this soft spring glam look. I hope that you like the look, and if you want to know how to get it, follow the steps that I provide for you. I hope you guys enjoy. To prep my eyes, I'm using Maybelline's Cover Stick Concealer and using my finger to blend the concealer out. This will help keep the shades where I want them and brighten the colors. To set my concealer, I'm using Morphe's 35V palette in the shade Go Nude. I am blending the shade everywhere where the concealer was placed. I am taking the shade Risque and blending it into my crease using circular and window swiping motions. Now taking the shade Seduced, I am blending this at the end of my eye towards the center. With the shade Three Little Words in my finger, I'm going to pat this onto my eyelid. I'm using my finger because its humidity helps brightens the shade when packed down. Now taking the shade Addicted, I'm going to darken this look by blending it at the end of my eye towards the center. Going back to the shade Seduced, I'm going to blend this out at the end of my lower lid towards the center. Going back to Addicted, I'm also blending this out at the end of my lower lid, but keeping it at the end and blending it into the shade on the top lid. Taking Three Little Words, I'm going to blend this out around my tear duct and from the front of my lower lid to the center. For mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in black. For falsies, I'm using Kiss Lashes and Page Boy. For lipstick, I'm using my favorite Carly Bible Il Maquillage lipstick in the color Serious. And that's how you get this look, guys. I hope it was easy to follow. It's one from one palette only, so all you have to do is purchase the palette if you want to get the specific look. Otherwise, you can find colors pretty close to it and use those colors instead. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.